Epson Workforce 7710 Wireless Printer, best overall. The first and the best Epson printer that we recommend for you is the Workforce inkjet printer. The reason is that it is a wireless printer with wide format printing capabilities to meet your needs. It can print, fax, and scan multiple copies of your documents. If you require a Sublimation inkjet printer, this is the best option to produce outputs in a continuous manner with easy printing. Now, let's have a quick tour of the features. This printer has the capacity to stack up to 250 sheets in its tray. You can use it for sublimation to print outputs on shirts or other items, especially if you are printing on sheets. Another feature of 7710 Workforce multifunction printer is that it is one of the best inkjet printers for sublimation since it can print, check, copy, and fax for you in no time. This is a feature that most printers lack, but not this one. Its PrecisionCore technology allows you to produce a large print of 13 x 19 inches without any boundaries. Another benefit of this sublimation printer is that it offers a wide range of settings for you. It can also verify any size up to 11 x 17 inches and print any piece of paper up to 13 x 19 inches. This illustrates that the Workforce is entirely fantastic in terms of sublimation printer options. You can use it with printing different sides naturally at 8.7 pages each minute in black color and 6 pages each minute in color. While the touchscreen on the printer's back is a nice feature, some users may find the screen to be too small. This is a sublimation printer that can be extremely overwhelming to use if you have a printing business. You can expect 20 sheets of photograph paper to be printer at the same time while it can hold 250 pages in the paper tray. A link to buy this printer has been given in the description.